Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a first impression review on these brushes right here. I've seen a lot of these brushes on YouTube and Instagram and all that ish, and they look really freaking interesting. Now this one looks really familiar because I already did a review on this. It's not the same one, it's not from the same seller, pero it is very similar. I do not have mine with me right now. It's in the bathroom and I'm just way too lazy to go there and get it. The only thing that's different is yung isa merong brand name dito. This one doesn't have any. I really like that brush. And okay, so let me show you how many brushes I have in here. I have 10 brushes. So I will be doing my makeup using these brushes right here. I'm not sure if I can do my brows using some of the brushes here. No, I will need to use a different brush. By the way, these brushes are from gearbest.com. I will leave their links below. This is $17.72. That's US dollars, and it's free shipping. Anyway, I will go ahead and start. I will first start on my brows. So I'm gonna fill in my brows first. If you guys didn't know yet, I use this Detail Make Brow for my brows. This is the only eyebrow product that I have been using for I do not know. I use this shade right here, the lightest shade, and I have been using just the brush that comes with it. So I was filling in my brows using this thing right here, and I was like, you know what, I can use this to blend it. I'm pretty sure you cannot use this to like fill in your brows, especially on the border, because I don't think it will give you that kind of like sharp, defined look. But you can use this brush to blend the eyebrow powder, especially in the inner corners. I actually did it right here already. As you guys can see, compared to this one looks a bit harsh. This one looks better. The lighting is really weird right now. I'm so sorry. So yeah, I will go ahead and apply concealer. I will be using my Mary Kay concealer in the shade Beige 2. For concealer, I will be using this tiny brush right here. Parang mas maliit siya ng konti sa brush na to. So, looks like that. I wish these brushes had names though. They don't have like labels at all, so you really can't tell. You can just say like this and that and yeah. I actually really like it. It blends the concealer really nicely, and for me this is the perfect size for the under eyes because it really gets in there, you know. I also really like the finish. You guys, I forgot to put on my BB cream or CC cream before putting on my concealer. Why do I always forget? Shoot. Anyway, I'm just gonna apply it after this. I actually really like this brush. You can also use the bigger one for like here and then on your nose and then on the forehead as well, pero this one for me is perfect for applying concealer under the eyes. Now, I will go ahead and apply my CC cream, which I forgot to apply before my concealer. Nasanay lang ako na hindi na talaga ako gumagamit ng CC cream, BB cream. I always use just concealer on my face. Anyway, I will be using my Mary Kay CC cream. I have mine in the shade light to medium. I'm not sure which brush I'm going to use. Siguro I'm gonna use this for powder brush and then this one for my CC cream. Okay. Oh, that feels really nice. Oh, I like that. It's so fun to apply as well. This is my favorite brush so far. I feel like it's very easy to apply your BB cream or your CC cream because it's big. Now, I will go ahead and apply powder. I will be using my Nishido Final Powder. I have mine in the shade Creamy Glow. And I will be using the biggest brush in here. I cannot wait. My feeling ako na it will feel great on the skin. So I'm just gonna get powder from here and then start applying it on my face. Feels really nice on my skin as well. My gosh, I really like the big brushes. I also like that it's flexible right here. So like when you apply product like down here, it can flex and yeah, I don't know. Some people don't like it because it feels flimsy. I don't think so. I actually really like that. I actually wasn't expecting I will like this for powder because it's very dense, and usually for my powders I use the like fluffy brushes, pero this one worked great. Okay, next one, I will go ahead and apply a blush. This one I have not used yet. We've used this one to apply the BB cream, I mean CC cream. This one I'm gonna try and use to apply my blush, and we'll see. I will be using my Color Collection Color Intense blush on in the shade Desert Rose, and I will be using this shade right here. Okay, so that's what the brush looks like. I'm not really sure if this will work to apply blush on, but I'm gonna try. I'm not really used to using this kind of brush to blush, but it actually works. It's different, but it works. I'm really sorry for the lighting, you guys. This lighting I cannot control, so I'm really sorry. It applied my blush pretty nicely. It's pretty even for me. Can you see that? I'm not really sure if you can see. So ano pa ba yung mga hindi natin na-try? This I have not tried yet. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this for though. Okay, so far we've used these brushes already. So we've used 6 brushes. There's 4 brushes left, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna use today because first of all, I do not know what to use them for. So we have this tool right here that looks very similar. I feel like you can use this to apply your eyeshadow. I'm not applying any eyeshadow today though, but this one, I'm not sure how I feel about that. I don't know, just by doing this, I feel like it's kind of harsh on the eyeball. It's really different from like doing the brush like this than this. That kind of feels weird. Maybe it's just me because I'm not used to applying eyeshadows at all. This one you can use for contouring, like you can contour your nose with this, and I feel like it's gonna work great. I'm not really into that, like I do not do contouring at all. This tiny one right here, I honestly do not know what this one is for, but it looks like that. Pero I'm really liking these brushes right here. My favorite is this one. It's the second to the biggest brush, so this is the biggest brush right here. This is the second one. I really like it. It applied my CC cream like a dream. I do not have any brush strokes at all. It feels really nice on the skin. You cannot feel like harsh bristles on your face when you use these brushes. So overall, I'm not mad at them. They're fine. Would I prefer using them over my regular brushes? Not all of them, but I definitely like using this for my CC cream. For the blush, it's good, but I will still use my regular blush to apply my blush, not this one. I mean, it's not bad, but I like the other brush better. For powder naman, yes, it's good, but I don't see myself using this over my Monkini powder brush, yung malaking brush from Pretty Angel shop. I still like that over this. But then again, it's not a bad product at all. For concealer, I can see myself using this over my Beauty Blender or my other concealer brush because I really do like how it applies concealer on my under eyes and on the rest of my face. So I really like this. Overall, they're not a bad product at all. It doesn't feel flimsy even though it's like flexible like that. I have not washed these brushes yet though, so I couldn't really tell how they will be after you wash them, but I will be updating you guys on my vlogs if you're interested to know that. But yeah, that's basically it for this first impression review. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please do like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! You can't feel like there's like harsh bristles. You can't feel like there's harsh bristles. What? And